This is how I make wooden picture frames that I can paint on directly. I start with a wooden block, routing a pocket for the painting surface and a slot to create a shadow frame effect. On the back, there are 2 slots to attach an alligator clip for hanging. First, I seal the surface with a primer and several layers of gesso. Then I apply an orange acrylic layer and sketch the outlines. Finally, I complete the piece using oil paint. This is Tuck Lake in the Alpine Lake Wilderness. Here's the final result. I also painted Pacific Northwest Centerels and Peggy's Pond.